First of all, I was a little bit confused to join MFI or not, because I thought it is a screenwriter's workshop. But so many people said to me, you have to join because you can develop the project with your screenwriter together, so you can match everything, the production side and also the screenwriting side. If you are inside the project from the beginning as a producer, so you have the different options to create together. And what we make with Veysel together is really creative producing. And absolutely for creative producing, MFI is the best place to to make it.
The places, so it's also a very good in order to test if your film has a potential, to be international.
Yeah.
Since the beginning, which is it's not like in the editing process that you had to edit something you already shot. And that is why it was a perfect time, because it was like right before the shooting, and they could understand what is really interesting, to shoot and what is better provided. And they can be helped actually saving time in shooting them to decide how to focus and what to focus.